Hello viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If you want to buy original cosmetic, you're looking for where to buy original cosmetic or skincare additives. When I mean skincare additives, the ingredients, what you use to produce your skincare or lotions, oils or powders, original organic ones. If it is whitening or the ones you use to promise like a whitening or glowing and all that, we have them all. Or you just need the cosmetics, we have them all. Trust me about that. Original, that you won't be complaining, I bought this, it didn't work. It original. Trust me, knock on our door. The number on your screen, that's what you just need to shout us with, or you call us. Now I want to tell you something, because it all depends on the knowledge you have in here. If you the type that promotes or you make product they don't work in regards to skincare business, watch this video. Don't flip up. All right. Now, if you're producing, what is the knowledge and what do you want to produce? What is the outcome? Okay, now let's put it this way. I want to make an oil. What is the idea behind it? What is the outcome? All right. Okay, first of all, before we dive into that, let me show you. This is what we call antiseptic glowing oil. Antiseptic glowing oil. Okay. Now you produce, some people when they use your product, they say they have this inch, they have bodies inching them, their faces inching them. The lotion is good, is whitening or is glowing, but they have inch in their body. Like, they keep telling you this is your product I use. I started using, my body's inching me, and all that. When they show you, if they snap pictures, some people, because of their nerves, they can't even send you the photo because of their inner thigh. You would have seen that everything there is something you can look at again. Even their under armpit, what could be what could be the cost, and what could be the cost, and what can be the solution? That should be what you be thinking. So now, when you're producing any cream, for instance, you're producing any glowing cream or whitening cream. Let's go with glowing cream. Now, when you want to produce a glowing oil or a glowing lotion or whatever that is glowing, you put all the items, additives for glowing effect, right? You put them in the. Did you ever consider putting any of the antiseptic additives? Okay, some people, when they are making glowing cream, they will be thinking of, okay, Olebat, fine, Olebat is good, Fombat A is good. A lot of these antibacterial solutions, fine, it's good that way, but it's not just all about putting those tubes. You understand? Sometimes you look for a very effective antibacterial oil, antiseptic oil, like this one. All right. For those of us who will be complaining when I'm making they say my cream is good, but it inches their body, like they give them some inflammatories and all that, their skin becomes terrible. So like my product terrify people now. Oh, this is the solution. This oil I've told you, antiseptic glowing oil. You see the name, antiseptic glowing oil. All right. All you just need to do, you put a drop, just one cover. Put one cover for 500 ml, which is about 3%. All right, 3% thereabout. Yes, 3%. You put 3% inside your lotion or any of the oil or your soap. But the soap, the quantity of the soap should be like 500. The quantity of your shower gel should be like 500 ml. If it is a gram, it should be 500 gram. If it is a lotion, it should be 500 ml also. Just put it inside. it will work the way you want it to work. What do I want this thing to work for me? I want it to glow, not just glowing, that glowing effect because of all the additives I put. What about the outcome? Did I think maybe, what about the skin type? Is it all skin type? So let me just put a protection for all skin so that it won't look as if it's only you can use it or only that person can use it. If you're somebody who use whitening and all that, please get this oil and put it inside your whitening. If you're a person that using caramella or caramel type, get this oil and put it. If you're a person that, if you're black or white, or so this one is for everybody. Now I wouldn't say if you want to get white, but no, it's for everybody because it contains the effect of glowing. And if you're white and you come glow, it's so sweet. All right. Some people don't understand when they say glowing. So apparently, maybe if you want to know the difference between glowing and whitening, you should come ask me about that reasonably. All right. So now when you see that glowing effect is there, then it's not antiseptic. So like if there's any inflammatories, like your body itching you, some eczema, some lakba as a result of side effect for your cream or whatever, just put 1 or 2% regards to the size of the cream you're using. That's all. No, nothing. No, if let it be that has been there for years. Just put this antiseptic glowing oil. Just put it inside the product you're using. That's all. Unless if it doesn't leave you, meaning it's a home problem, meaning the village people, they are following you, they're after you. Or your village people, they can follow you to anywhere. But when it comes to this oil, it heal every side effect. Like, just give it a try. That's all. That's only what I'll tell you. Give it a try. And a lot of people, when they are producing based on their knowledge, I think this, they think, what I just learned on YouTube or what this people taught me, so I should just go with all that. No, sometimes the information, the person that passed on to you, the information he got or he knows, they might be somehow limited to this present knowledge right now. Because if I'm formulating, I would think of like what is going to go around, like what is the outcome of this product. So the powders, the tubes, or the whatever I put or whatever you put, I mean, what's going to be the outcome? So as a professional, all you need to do, because it's going to come out well, you still need to put this oil. All right. Yes, I know you must have put Olebat, you must have put for Bat A, you must have put some other one antiseptic tube, but I just want put this antiseptic glowing oil, put it inside your product, and let's see what happens. That's the end of the story. No more side effect, no more complaints. The oil I got from you is itching me, it's doing this, it's making one place. All right, unless you that is using it, unless your village people, they follow you. I've said it again. So a quick one, we've come to the end of this review. I just want you to have this in mind, that the knowledge you get right now, make use of it. All right, make use of it in a wise way. All right, then again, I want you to understand that for those of you who want to buy original cosmetic, or you want to buy original recipe for a product that it will work, or you want us to train you, have it in mind that you can always talk to us via the number on your screen. Organic recipe, we have them all. You know me? Like, as a matter of fact, those of you who buy powders, there are a lot of powders you've not really even heard about. So I wouldn't even want to talk about it. That should be another video. All right, I will talk about those powders again. All right, so we've come to the end of the class. Don't forget, we ship everywhere. So bye bye.